I made this beef stew for my family that was not only delicious but also loaded with a lot of amazing nutrients. To get started, on a medium pot, I added in some cooking oil and then I sauteed the onions. After the onions were a little browned, I added in the beef that I had already cut into cubes. Then I give it a quick mix and then I'm adding in some herbs that I had made in a previous video. I'm going to post that video in the comment section. Beef is high in protein and also has essential nutrients like iron, zinc, vitamin B12, also help to maintain muscle, enhance immunity, among other benefits. At this point, I am adding in the red bell peppers, carrots, tomato, and red onion into the same cooking pot. I'll let them steam for a little bit as I get them ready for blending. On this other side, I'm prepping the vegetables that are going to go into the stew. So celery is high in anti-inflammatory properties, can boost your hydration, it's high in fiber, high in vitamin K, A and C, potassium and magnesium, among other benefits. On the other side, we have the bell peppers that are high in vitamin C and A, can boost your immune system, improve your vision, digestion, reduce inflammation and chronic illnesses. I had also cleaned these vegetables very well before prepping them with some vinegar. I also don't like the seeds in my stew. That is why you see me taking them out. On this other side, we have carrots that are high in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, which is good for the vision. They are also high in fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, and low in carbohydrates. And now checking on our steamed veggies, and I think they are ready for blending. And on the cooking pot, we are now left with the beef. I'm going to give it a quick mix and then add in my spices of choice, which are nor, cumin, and black pepper. Give them a quick mix, cover them up, and let them continue cooking. On this other side, I'm almost done blending the steamed vegetables. And on this other side, I continue to prep the vegetables. Onions are also highly nutritious. They are low in calorie. They are packed with antioxidants, help in heart health, decrease inflammation. They are good for your gut, also help regulate the blood sugar. They are high in vitamin C, B, potassium, and some possible anti-cancer benefits. I'm also gonna add this zucchini that I had stored in my freezer. Zucchini aid in digestion as they are high in fiber. They also help support the heart health, can help in weight management, blood glucose regulation, and also improve your vision, among other benefits. Our beef stew is coming up very well. I have just added the carrots. I'm starting off with the carrots because they take longer to cook than the other vegetables. After they were a little softened, I then added in the zucchini, give it a quick mix, then let them cook for a little bit until they're a little softened. And now it is time to add in the sauce that we had prepared earlier. This is going to be the only liquid that we add into the stew. It is going to be thick and flavorful. I am now covering them up and let them cook for a little bit as we continue to build on our flavors. And look at that, they are already looking very delicious, but we still have the rest of the vegetables that need to go into the stew. And that is a very nice combination of all the colors, and you can only imagine how delicious and nutritious that stew is. I want to appreciate you for watching this far, and to help me grow this channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe, then go ahead and like this video, then leave a comment to help me grow this channel. And that is looking very delicious. And now it is time to serve and enjoy. And I hope you have been inspired to go and try this recipe. So in case you have learned something new in this recipe, kindly share in the comment section. So until we meet in the next video, may the Lord bless you, may the Lord keep you, may He watch over you, and may He give you peace. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.